the money's gone, so we're gonna be creative. And to start off with, this is a frame I made for my Arbor press a while back. My first issue here with this stand is there's not enough of a foot here, so when you apply force, you can easily lift it up. What we're gonna be doing in this video is making a frame for the wheels to bolt up to, and then have that all bolt right to the frame. So it's a lot sturdier, less wobbly like that. 27.5, which measure twice, cut once. We'll first mark off 27.5. And I mean, I'm not trying to make it crazy precise. A lot of times if you're trying to do something really accurate, you want to do a first end cut, because a lot of those yards don't cut the metal that straight. So if you don't do that, you'll end up with something a little wonky in the end. But I mean, this is just going to be a base for my H-frame here, so I'm not too worried about it. So first mark will be 27.5, and now just a nice square to get a perfectly straight line here. Almost ready for welding. Just got to clean off all the oil so it's not all smoky, you know. First step, I like to tack everything in place. You know, that just helps ensure that you have no big warpage. So first step, square it up and tack it. I just get my square on the end here and make sure everything sits exactly how I want it. I'm just gonna double check with this square now. See, now we're nice and square. So yeah, just tack, build it up a little bit, and then when you have something real solid, you can just weld it all around. That's how I do it. So you go on this side, go on that side, even heat distribution. I guess, well, the frame is cooling down. We will take the wheels off of the shop press and get that ready for mounting onto here. Yeah. I think the weight of the whole frame is warping this angle iron here. You can see how much rock it has on a flat surface. Very annoying. So there is our plug welds. Everything's sitting nice and square. Moment of truth, I guess, will be pull that off. Pull this one off. To show you guys the end result here, no extra movement. There you go. Look at that. Rocket. She's golden. So, thought about one last thing. I wanted to put a table on the front side of it so I can put my baby shop press right there, or any tooling, any type of stuff like that. So, knock that out real quick. So, this time, I'm done for real. I think. We're on there. This thing ain't going nowhere. Let me show you what we're putting on it. Got this baby shop press to go right here. So here we are. Here it is in its home. Slowly putting everything on wheels. Next day, we got the jack here, so I'm gonna grab the plasma cutter my neighbor let me borrow, and you can kind of see here, I made these lines, so I'm gonna be cutting it flush with this surface here and this surface here. These are the two level points from here to here, so I'll have a nice flat base for everything to sit on. So I guess we'll do a little time lapse here of the grinding and cutting to get ready to mount this thing onto my Arbor press stand. See if this thing will lift up too like the other one. Yeah, nah, you can't even lift it up. I'll be able to actually put some force on stuff. Yep. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Much easier to roll around. Can't beat that. So here we are, finished product. I ended up painting it the same color as the Arbor press just for, I don't know, make it look more uniform. It's not the best paint job. I mean, I was running out of paint, but so far, I think it looks pretty decent, you know, much better than having the two different colors there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you next time.